Picture a remote island off Western Australia, where dense green forests meet the deep blue of the Southern Ocean. But hidden within this wild landscape is something truly astonishing. A lake that's not blue or green, but a vivid bubblegum pink. This is Lake Hillier, a natural marvel that defies expectations. Its color isn't a trick of the light or a fleeting phenomenon. The water is genuinely, permanently pink. Even if you scoop it up, the rosy hue remains. The contrast between the pink lake, green forest, and blue ocean is breathtaking. A visual masterpiece only nature could create. Lake Hillier sits on Middle Island, the largest in the Recherche archipelago, and its isolation has kept it pristine. The journey to see it is challenging, adding to its mystique. For those lucky enough to witness it, the experience is unforgettable. A perfect pink jewel in a wild Australian crown. More than just a colored lake, it's a living ecosystem and a scientific puzzle sculpted by microscopic life. Lake Hillier stands as a vibrant symbol of Earth's hidden wonders, urging us to look closer at the magic of our natural world. Lake Hillier's story began in 1802, when British navigator Matthew Flinders, while circumnavigating Australia, anchored at Middle Island. From the island's highest point, Flinders and his crew spotted the remarkable pink lake, a sight that must have seemed surreal after months at sea. Flinders documented the lake's size and high salt content, and his records became the first written account of this natural marvel. For decades, the lake remained largely undisturbed, its isolation protecting it from human impact. Only with the advent of aerial photography did its fame spread, revealing its beauty to the world. Flinders' discovery reminds us that exploration can lead to the most unexpected and wonderful revelations about our planet. Why is Lake Hillier pink? The answer lies in its water, not its minerals. The lake's vibrant hue comes from Dunaliella salina, a microalga that thrives in extreme saltiness and produces beta-carotene, the same pigment that colors carrots. Billions of these algae fill the lake, turning the water pink as a survival strategy against harsh sunlight and salinity. They're joined by halobacteria, pink pigmented microbes that also flourish in salty conditions. Together, these extremophiles create a living, rosy paint that's stable and intense. The lake's color isn't static. It's a dynamic result of a thriving, microscopic ecosystem. The extreme saltiness keeps out competitors, letting these unique organisms dominate. Lake Hillier's pink is the color of life, resilient, rare, and perfectly adapted. Is Lake Hillier always pink? Remarkably, yes. While the intensity of the color can shift with sunlight, temperature, and rainfall, the lake's signature pink remains year-round. In bright, warm weather, the algae produce more pigment, deepening the pink or even giving it a reddish tint. Cooler, rainy periods may soften the hue, but the color never disappears. Unlike other pink lakes that can lose their color, Lake Hillier's ecosystem is so stable that its pinkness endures. Each visit might reveal a slightly different shade, but the spectacle is always there. This consistency is a testament to the resilience of its microscopic residents. Lake Hillier is a living canvas, ever-changing yet reliably extraordinary. Middle Island is a protected nature reserve, home to native wildlife and dense forests that frame Lake Hillier's pink waters. The lake's extreme salinity means no fish or large aquatic animals, just a thriving world of salt-loving microbes. This unique ecosystem is incredibly fragile. Even small changes in chemistry could disrupt the balance and fade the pink. That's why swimming is prohibited. Human contact could introduce contaminants and threaten the microbes. The area's protected status ensures the lake's survival as a living laboratory for scientists studying extremophiles. By keeping our distance, we help preserve this rare wonder for future generations. The prohibition on swimming isn't a barrier, but a guarantee of its continued existence. Lake Hillier's secret recipe of salt, algae, and bacteria remains undisturbed, keeping its brilliant pink hue alive. It's a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains even the most extraordinary places. With access to Middle Island restricted, how can you experience Lake Hillier? The best way is from above. Scenic flights from Esperance offer breathtaking aerial views of the pink lake, green forest, and blue ocean. From the air, the lake's perfect oval shape and vivid color are truly spectacular. Boat cruises through the Recherche archipelago provide another perspective, letting you glimpse the pink water from the sea. These eco-friendly tours protect the fragile ecosystem while letting visitors marvel at this natural wonder. The journey itself is part of the adventure, taking you into one of Australia's wildest corners. Responsible tourism ensures Lake Hillier's pink glow will inspire for generations to come. Lake Hillier is more than a curiosity. It's a testament to life's creativity and resilience. Its pink color, born from microscopic collaboration, shows how life can thrive in the most unlikely places. The lake's remote location and protected status have preserved its delicate balance. By admiring it from afar, we help ensure its survival for future generations. Lake Hillier inspires wonder, reminding us to look closer at the world's hidden marvels. It's a living masterpiece, a pink jewel in nature's crown. In a world of change, it stands as a symbol of hope and the extraordinary diversity of life. Lake Hillier is a treasure to be cherished, protected, and admired forever.